Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use sound equalizer of your Jabra Elite 4 Active. First of all, you have to be connected with this Jabra Sound Plus application. And next, when you are here, we have to scroll down. First of all, we are able to manually adjust sound equalizer by using these sliders. We are also able to quickly reset by tapping on this arrow. You can also use these presets. And also you can create your own preset. When you tap on the plus, you can set it up to your own preferences. Click save. Next, you can give it name. And as you can see, here we can find our custom preset. And as you can see, you can also remove it. And by the way, you can only remove the custom presets. The defaults you cannot. So as you can see, that's how it looks. Hope you like it.